Hello, Diary. Hello, everyone. Today is the eighth day of my discipline marathon. The eighth day, each day of the freedom from sugar and porn dependencies, alongside studying both English and Czech. My daily minimum plan also includes strength focuses morning workout, meditation, math exercise, and memory training. So far, this has been relatively easy for me. However, the maximum plan cleaning 8 hour sleep, 8 hour sleep and more cleaning include aspect that I either can't or to some extent don't want to accomplish. But I am not discouraged, discouraged, discouraged because just completing the minimum plan is already taking me to a new emotional, intellectual, and physical level. Yesterday, as promises, I managed to get everything down: meditation, memory exercise, math practice, and Czech. Overall, I really like the person I am today, even thought this is just the beginning of the journey. As always, everything worked out for me in the best possible way because my universe take care of me. Even then I don't want it to. Everything is going exactly as it should. See you tomorrow.